When it comes to selecting your business structure for your real estate investing business, we have several options. So first we have the LLC, your limited liability corporation. You have S corporation, C corporation, a trust, or a land trust. Those are probably the most common ways that people use business structures to invest in real estate. But today we're just going to focus on the LLC because this is usually the best option for maybe 80 to 90% of investors. I get into a lot more of the advanced strategies of using S corporation, C corporation, and trusts or land trusts inside my digital course. So if you think that's something that you want to learn more about or that might help you out a lot, I encourage you to look into my digital course. The advice about how to set up your legal structure correctly will save you thousands and thousands of dollars in the long run if you do it right the first time. So it's worth the investment of time and money to figure that out up front. But just a quick note is that LLC is great for most people. It's perfect for the buy and hold investor if you're looking to accrue steady income and take advantage of long-term capital appreciation. LLCs are simple, they're cheap to start, they require very little paperwork, and as the name indicates, they limit the liability of the investor. So as I mentioned in my last video, earnings and losses are passed through the LLC to your personal tax return inside of a limited liability corporation, and this makes it very simple to manage. It's simple for your accountants. So for most people, this is a very good option for your investing business. A couple of the drawbacks of LLCs is that members will pay two types of taxes on profits earned from their business. You'll have to pay self-employment tax, which is usually around 15%, and an income tax, both at the federal and state level. So some people refer to this as double taxation. So this can be a drawback, especially if you are getting to a level where you're generating a high amount of profit from your LLC. At that point, it might be worth looking into something like an S corporation or even a C corporation. But until you're at that point or you're at a more advanced level, I think an LLC is usually the right starting point for most people. And you can always get more complex as you go along. And like I mentioned, if you want to learn more about this, check out my digital course because we really dive deep into this subject in the course.